Hi there, Mark Lieber, A3GMunitions. Here today to talk about the new carbon fiber handguard from A3GMunitions for the VR80. We were talking about this earlier in 2020. It was supposed to be out in July, and COVID and some other things just made it take longer. So it is available when you see this video. By the time you see this video, it will be shipping, and we're going to talk about how to install it and what your options are as far as purchasing it. So I've got my VR80 right here. This is my personal VR80. It's basically a factory gun except for the A3GMunitions magwell, the version 2 magwell. So the first things first, let's make it safe. Make sure it's empty. I use a chamber flag. I like to use that. Chamber view chamber flag is great for shotguns. We have them online if you're interested. Put the safety glasses on and put the gun on. Make sure the gun's on safe. So it's empty, it's safe. Let's get started. So this is, most of you guys have a VR80 just like this, factory VR80. If you have a VR80A or the Stormtrooper model or any of those that have the extended handguard already, we'll talk about what's different in the installation for those. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to take off the existing handguard. The shroud just unscrews. So unscrew the shroud, hand on top of the magazine well, and slide the handguard off. The carbon fiber handguard goes right on just like the old one came off. Slide it over the gas system and through the hole in the end of the muzzle. Now it'll hit the front of the receiver, and it's a friction fit down here, so it's going to be a little snug. So get it to where it feels like it's lined up, and just sort of push it on in place. You'll hear a little snap or something. So then we have three options for this handguard. Option one is going to be the handguard and our adapter. It's the adapter that allows you to use a compensator with an extended handguard. It's been on the market for a year or so. Very popular item. So if you're just upgrading from a stock gun, you'll need either option one, which includes this. If you're going to install a muzzle device, a compensator, any of the compensators, any of the devices that screw on the exterior muzzle threads, the threads on the outside of the muzzle, then you will need our adapter. Basically, our adapter screws on, and it leaves threads available to install whatever you want to install on the muzzle. So, and you're not going to, this is going to be hand tight, folks. Do not use a strap wrench on it. You just snug it up by hand. You'll see it leaves threads available for whatever device you want to screw on. We carry all the different comps if you want to order that from us at the same time. This is my personal choice. It's the short comp, and I choose this one because I shoot competitively, and every inch of muzzle length is a detriment to getting through a course of fire. So anyway, we're not going to install this completely all the way, but this gives you an idea. So this is option one. It's the handguard with our adapter. All right, and that's what you'll get in the bag, the handguard and the adapter. You will not get a compensator unless you order one. So take this off. So that's option one. Option two is for those of you folks who are not, repeat, are not going to install a compensator or some other device on the end of your gun. It will come with the Rock Island factory short shroud. Also screws on just like ours does. The difference is it does not leave any exposed threads. It screws on flush with the end of the muzzle, as you can see. So flush with the end of the muzzle, and you're good to go, just like that. None of these will impact your ability to change the chokes. The chokes use threads on the inside of the barrel, so none of these options will impact your ability to change your chokes, your internal choke tubes. So that's option two. Option two is for those of you who want to just have a factory-looking gun, don't want to add a compensator on it. Option three is just the handguard. We don't give you an adapter with option three. Option three is for those of you who may already have an extended handguard and you're simply upgrading to our carbon fiber, or you've already bought an adapter from us and you're running an extended handguard, an extended aluminum handguard, and you just want to upgrade to the carbon fiber. So if you already have one of our adapters, or if you already have a factory short shroud, all you need to do is order option 3, which is just the handguard. It's pretty self-explanatory on the website, so take a look. If you have questions, you can email me, Mark, M-A-R-K, at A3GMunitions.com. That's A, the letter A, the number 3, the letter G, munitions.com, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. We are usually pretty responsive to emails, so you can call us or shoot us an email, and we will be happy to help you. That is all there is to installing a carbon fiber handguard. So it is, by the way, all these slots that you see around the handguard are M-LOK compatible slots. So if you want to add lights or bells and whistles, whatever you want to add, you can get the appropriate M-LOK adapter and you can install it on your handguard. So the other note is that for those of you using the TACOM little metal butt connector, if you will, that fastens to the Picatinny rail on the factory shroud and the Picatinny rail on the receiver, for those of you using that, our carbon fiber handguard is not compatible with that system. So you'll have to use either a factory short shroud or our adapter. Again, the TACOM little piece will not work. So again, if you have questions, please shoot us a note, and hope to see you on the range. Have a great day. Thank you.